Vaseline brightening lotion is my all-time favorite. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with today's video. First, I am tying up my hair. I've already washed my face really well. Time for my night routine. Every night I apply Vaseline brightening lotion. It's super useful, especially in the summer. It's helped brighten the skin and absorb really quickly. I use this lotion every night on my face, neck, hand and feet. It prevents the skin from getting dry and dark and leave it soft and glowy by morning. OMG, there barely any lotion left in the bottle, just a few drops, so embarrassing. But not very ill, order a new one online. Now let's apply it properly on the full face and neck, forehead, nose, cheeks, chin. Make sure to cover every area evenly. I really love my cheeks, so I give them a little extra attention. Massage is done and ready. I am feeling so relaxing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Love you all. Bye. Take care.